In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Trello board using Smart Import PowerUp. By the end, you'll have the Smart Import tool enabled on your board and be ready to bring your spreadsheet data into Trello quickly and cleanly. Start by opening Trello and heading to your board's page. This view shows all the boards you have access to. Choose the board where you want the imported data to land. If you're working with a team board, make sure you have the right permissions to add power-ups. Board admins typically control that. It's also a good idea to think about where the new card should go, like a dedicated list, so everything stays organized once you begin importing. With your board open, look toward the top of the screen and find the Power-Ups option. Click it to open the Power-Ups panel. This is where you manage all enhancements for your board. Next, select Add Power-Ups to open the directory. You'll see a library of tools you can connect to Trello. Use the search bar to find Smart Import. In some directories, you may see it listed as Import to Trello, CSV free. This power-up is designed to help you bring existing data into Trello cards, making it ideal for moving information from spreadsheets or other tabular sources without manually creating each card. When you found it, click Add. Trello may prompt you to confirm or grant permissions so the power-up can run on your board. Approve those prompts to continue. If you see another Add or Enable button, click that as well to complete activation. When it's enabled, the power-up will appear in your board's Power-Ups panel and you'll see its options available from the board menu. At this point, you're ready to use Smart Import whenever you're prepared to import data. As a quick tip, review your spreadsheet headings before you start an import session. Clear column names like title, description, due date, and labels make mapping fields to Trello much easier. Also, check your workspace's plan and policies, since some plans limit the number of power-ups per board or require admin approval. If you don't see the power-ups option, you may be in a restricted board view or lack permission, so ask a board admin to grant access. And if you ever need to remove the tool later, you can return to the power-ups panel to manage or disable it. That's it. You've added the Smart Import power-up to your Trello board and you're ready to streamline your data import process.